Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to sign up on Threads. First, download the Threads app from the App Store or Play Store and open it. Tap on Login with Instagram to connect your Instagram account. Review your profile information and make changes if needed, then tap Next. Set up your profile preferences like privacy settings, public or private, and tap Done. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up on Threads. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching!